solid shape is made by removing a hemisphere, shown shaded, from a cone as shown in the diagram. The radius of the hemisphere is 2x. The radius of the cone, 5x. Height of the cone, 6x. The volume of the solid shape is 6,948 pi. Before I read out the rest of this question, I know I can use that information to get my x, because the volume of that shape is the cone. And if you look in the front page of your book, the formula for a cone is a third pi r squared h minus the volume of the hemisphere. Now, a sphere, again, on the formula sheet at the front of your paper, you have all of these formulas. It's 4/3 pi r cubed, but we want to times that by 1/2 because it's a hemisphere. So I know that the cone minus the hemisphere is equal to this value here. Let's just put in some values up here. A third times pi. That's r squared. Now r is 5x. Don't put the whole thing in brackets. We're squaring that whole thing. That's the first mistake people make. Minus 1/2. I'm going to do 1/2 times 4/3 already. 2/3 pi r cubed. Again, r is 5x. Put the 5x in brackets. Is equal to 6,948 pi. But let's simplify this a bit. So we've got a third times pi. 5 squared is 25. So times 25x squared times 6x minus 2/3. Sorry, that's not 5 there. That's 2, isn't it? The radius of the hemisphere is 2. 2 cubed is 8. That's the first mistake people make. They forget to cube the 2 and square the 5. So a third times 25 times 6 is 50. Got 50 pi x cubed, because x squared times x is x cubed. 2/3 times 8 is 16/3 pi x cubed. Now we divide 3 by pi. 50x cubed minus 16/3x cubed is 44.6 recurring x cubed. Or actually, I'll put that as a fraction. That's up to you how you have it. Anyway, 6,948 divided by that 44.6 recurring gives us x cubed is equal to 155.55. Cube root both sides. X is 5.378. Okay, I've done the hard work here. All we need to do now is find the total surface area of the solid hemisphere that's been removed. Surface area of a sphere, if you look on your formula sheet, is 4 pi r squared. We've got a hemisphere, so it's half of that. Half times 4 times pi times x is 5.378. The radius is 2 times 5.378. And then that's the curved part of the hemisphere. We also need the circle, which is the base. Pi r squared. Radius again is 2 times 5.378. 726.911 here. $363.455. Add them together. Round to the nearest integer, 1090 centimetres squared.